Hey everybody, this is Phil from Mr. Phil's Alabama Hot Sauce. On the web, that's alabamahotsauce.com. Today I'm in my kitchen and I'm doing a little bit of menu testing. I gotta tell you, this is my favorite part of this whole thing. I love getting in here and doing some ferments. I love mixing up ingredients, coming up with a new taste. And so that's what I've been doing today. I've been particularly today working on my vacuum fermentation. I got a bag of Serranos here that I'm going to be mixing up today, and these are, this is a 90-day ferment so far. I got a bag of beautiful red and green chilies. These we're going to be mixing up and doing a few things today. I got some red Hatch chilies cut up here. I got a bag of red jalapenos. And then I got this mixture that I cooked up, which is jalapeno peppers, carrots, lemon juice, pineapple, all kinds of good things. We're going to test this out and see how it works. I don't particularly like to ferment all my things together. I typically like to ferment my peppers separate, my fruits separate, my other vegetables separate, so I can mix them in a real precise way, because to sell hot sauce, you got to have a very, very repeatable formula. I look forward to the results from just playing around today. I might even eat some of this hot sauce tonight on my steak. So I appreciate you joining me, and I will see you next time. Thank you.